If you're seeking an indoor plant that thrives in low-maintenance conditions while adding an exotic touch to your home, look no further than the stunning Philodendron Burle Marx. With its extraordinary and captivating dark green leaves, this fast-growing plant is an excellent choice for both ground cover and houseplant enthusiasts. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the characteristics of the Philodendron Burle Marx, provide a detailed care guide, explore propagation methods, address common problems, and answer frequently asked questions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant lover, this article will equip you with the knowledge needed to cultivate and appreciate this remarkable plant. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. Characteristics of Philodendron Burle Marx. Philodendron Burle Marx, a climbing plant native to South America, is known for its striking foliage reminiscent of a tropical jungle. Its dark green, heart-shaped leaves create an exotic atmosphere wherever it is placed. The plant's growth habit allows for versatile training, making it a perfect choice for both pots and hanging baskets. With its fast-growing nature, Philodendron Burle Marx can quickly spread and create a lush green environment in your living space. Can Philodendron Burle Marx grow in water? While Philodendron Burle Marx can tolerate growing in water for short periods, it's not recommended as a long-term solution. Like most plants, it prefers a well-draining soil mix to support healthy root development. Extended periods in water can lead to root rot and other issues. Does Philodendron Burle Marx climb? Yes, Philodendron Burle Marx has a climbing habit. Given appropriate support, it can climb and trail, making it a versatile plant for various indoor environments. Is Philodendron Burle Marx rare? Philodendron Burle Marx is not considered rare in the same way as some other philodendron species or varieties. However, its availability may vary depending on local nurseries and online sellers. While it's not as common as some mainstream houseplants, it's still relatively accessible to enthusiasts and collectors. Plant guide and care instructions. Caring for a variegated Philodendron Burle Marx is similar to caring for the non-variegated variety. Light, provide bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Watering, allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Water thoroughly, but avoid waterlogging the soil. Humidity, prefers moderate to high humidity. Mist the leaves regularly or use a humidity tray. Temperature, keep in a warm environment, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Soil, use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. Fertilizing, feed monthly during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. How to take care of a Philodendron Burle Marx variegated. Additionally, for variegated varieties, it's essential to provide adequate light to maintain the variegation. Insufficient light can cause the plant to revert to its non-variegated form. Regular pruning can help control the plant's size and shape while promoting bushier growth. How to propagate Philodendron Burle Marx. Propagating Philodendron Burle Marx is a rewarding process that allows you to expand your plant collection or share its beauty with others. This section will provide a detailed guide on propagating the plant using stem cuttings, including the best time to propagate and step-by-step instructions for successful rooting. Stem cuttings are the recommended method for propagating Philodendron Burle Marx. Springtime is the optimal period for propagation, as the plant is actively growing. Using sharp, sterilized tools, carefully cut a healthy stem with at least 2 mature leaves and nodes for rooting. Place the stem cutting in a jar filled with water, ensuring the node is submerged. Position the jar near a window with bright indirect light and change the water every few days. After 3 to 4 weeks, roots will emerge from the nodes. At this point, you can transfer the rooted cutting into a container with well-draining potting mix or consider using LECA, lightweight expanded clay aggregate, for stability. Repotting guidelines. As your Philodendron Burle Marx grows, you may need to repot it to accommodate its increasing size. This section provides guidance on recognizing the right time to repot and tips for a successful repotting process. It emphasizes the importance of selecting a pot that is only slightly larger and has adequate drainage holes. Common problems and solutions. To help you navigate potential challenges, this section addresses common problems that may arise when caring for Philodendron Burle Marx. It focuses on root rot and pests, providing insights into identifying and addressing these issues. Additionally, it emphasizes preventive measures to maintain the plant's health. Philodendron Jose Buono versus Burle Marx. Philodendron Jose Buono is known for its large variegated leaves and ability to climb, while Burle Marx is often grown as a ground cover. Burle Marx has smaller leaves, hand-sized at best. Conclusion. With its captivating foliage and low-maintenance nature, Philodendron Burle Marx is a remarkable addition to any indoor plant collection. By following the care instructions, propagation techniques, and problem-solving tips provided in this guide, you can enjoy the beauty of this tropical plant while ensuring its long-term health and vitality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant enthusiast, cultivating Philodendron Burle Marx is an enjoyable and rewarding experience that brings the exotic allure of the rainforest into your home.